105 is the number that comes to my head when I think of all the years I wanna be with you. Wake up every morning with you in my bed. That's precisely what I plan to do. And you know one of these days, when I get my money right, buy you everything and show you all the finer things in life. Will forever be enough, so there ain't no need to rush. But one day I won't be able to ask you loud enough. I'll say, will you marry me? I swear that I will mean it. I say, will you marry me? Darating din ang gabing walang pipigil sa atin. Kung hindi ngayon, aasa bang maibabalik ang kahapon? Kahit sandali, palayain ang pusong di mapigil. Sana'y tayong dalawa sa matigil ang gulo sa aking isip. At para bang walang kasing sakit. Kung darating din ang gabing
खत्म। बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय।